Today we will take a look at the Lidar module's QC tool. To access this tool, users must first have an active license for Global Mapper and the Lidar module. To begin the QC process, a point cloud and ground control point layer must be loaded into Global Mapper. You can access the Lidar QC tool from the Lidar toolbar and select the layer or layers that you would like to use. Then select the maximum distance parameter and the maximum point cloud returns you would like to use for your point cloud. Then click OK to generate the Feature Measurement Information dialog, which provides statistics for point cloud elevation, control point elevation, and the elevation difference for each control point. From this dialog, you can determine if your points are within an acceptable range with your control points, or if your points require correction. This can be done with the Fit Lidar to Control Points button at the bottom of the dialog. To learn more about the Lidar QC tool, check out the blog link below. To learn more about Global Mapper and the Lidar module, visit www.bluemarblegeo.com today.